And why do I always fail when I have to film? So the latte art, not perfect, but it is what it is. So 2025, as you saw in the beginning, I started training. So I made a new morning routine like everybody else. And it still consists of 30 minutes of coding. I have to read 10 pages and then I have to do a small workout. So if we jump on the computer, I can show you somewhat of the new routine and how I am going to actually succeed on getting these goals. So let's jump on the computer. So as you can see here, this is the Excel file where I have the weeks, and then I have Monday throughout Sunday, and I have to train each day, but it's only 3 exercises each day, and for me it works way better. And I'm through the first 3 days, and then after 4 weeks I will still do the same workouts, maybe change them up a bit, and then increase the weight, so I will actually gain some muscles. And then we'll see after 3 months if it did anything. And I am making my goals in Notion. So as you can see, I have health here, and then I have business, and then I have a few others. I have travel, and then each week I am creating like a table, so a new entry in this table. So if I open up, I have made a template. So if I click that, then it will prompt me to tell something about the week. How did it go? Update some of the goals if it makes sense, and then I can take them off. And I saw an Ali Abdal video where he talks about the chance of succeeding with your goals is increased by 40% if you write them down. And then if you follow up, it will also increase heavily in terms of you actually succeeding. And I only made the goals for the first quarter, so the first 3 months, because if I do it for like 1 year ahead, I don't know where I am in 1 year. So let's see how it goes. So I also try to focus on input and not output. So instead of writing I want 100 subs, I write that I want to produce 8 videos. I can control that. I cannot control the views. I cannot control how many subs I will get. So instead of focusing on that and then failing because I'm not in control, then that's not a nice way to do it, in my opinion. So I will try to do that, and then we'll see how it goes. And in order to actually remind me to make an entry, I set up a automation in Zapier. So if we go to that, we can see Notion database entry reminder. So each week on a Sunday, I will get reminded. It will create a database item, and it will send me an email. It's in Danish, but it will tell me to fill it out. You didn't write these goals to not succeed. And then a link to follow up. So that's the plan for succeeding with this new routine, and we'll see how it goes. I will update you in this vlog. So now that I've finished my to-do of reading, coding, and also training, I am ready to actually proceed with the work for my clients. So I also did something new. I gamified the whole way of actually working, because I'm kind of addicted to watching YouTube. So I made a gamified system, and I also bought some new software. So let's have a look at that before I start working. So the new gamified system is within the notebook. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so I start by writing the date, and it is the 8th of January. Always put it in a box. And then of course I have the non-negotiables, and that is 30-minute coding. I should have used more light, I cannot see anything here. 10 pages reading, workout. And then I just cross them off. So this one is the first part of the system. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the coding part. So I make another box, 25 underneath. So 25 minutes of actual work and then 5 minutes break is the Pomodoro technique. And then I will get 25 points. Then we have the actual to do. I will usually write some, it could be whatever, it has to be done today. So it could be like an actual task. I will not get points for that because I have another system for that. I'm going to be working on 2 different clients today. I usually divide it up to that throughout the week so I can help both out. So I make the box with the client and then I just make boxes. And underneath each box is 25 minutes of work. So 4 boxes is 1 hour. And then I do the same here. So these are the client projects, and then I use the Pomodoro technique, and then whenever I finish 25 minutes, I can check one off. And that's also why I want to code it, I make my own little store up here. So let's say I want to watch a video as now that I succeeded kind of thing. So that will cost me 150 points. So that's 3 hours, yeah. So 3 hours of work, and then I'm actually able to watch a video. I know you can't really see it, but hopefully it kind of makes sense, the whole gamification of it. So now I'm ready to work. And the software I bought for the Pomodoro is actually Brain FM. I am not affiliated in any sort of ways. So I just go to focus and then I choose whatever I want to. So it could be deep work, motivation, creativity, learning, light work. And then I, instead of infinite play, I click on the timer. You could also set up intervals. And then I just write 50 minutes. I don't like 25 minutes and then a break. So I like 50 minutes and then a 10-minute breaks. So I apply that. I have the timer, headset in, and I just get to work. So as you can see, it's light outside and I've been working for the last 6 or 7 hours now. And I wanted to show you something. So I am working on client projects, but I'm also working on my own info product, which I made 8 or 9 months ago, and I'm planning to relaunch it. And there is a current website, but I also made an update. So let's go ahead and look at it on the screen here. So if we go ahead, you can see here, this is the new website. So this is the previous one. I already made some sales back then, and this is only a database of resources for you to start a SaaS. So resources and guides for different things. So recommendations on what to watch, products, tools, books, etc. But I wanted to enhance it even more and make it even more worth to buy. So I made a new homepage, which I will be launching hopefully this week, and hopefully next vlog I can also share you a discount code for following along here on YouTube. But this is the new theme. So it's dark, and I made some small cool animations, and also when you scroll through you can see there's some sort of effect, and it's made in webflow if you are interested. And if you scroll through you can see what's inside. So I packed it with some motion graphics, which is made in After Effects. So you will get the templates, you will still get all of the resources, and you would also get a pitch deck template in both dark and light mode. And you can use it for pitch deck, but also presentations in general. So if we scroll through it, you can also see that there will be different tracks within the database. So if you end up buying the starter kit, you will have a bundle of resources, pitch deck template, SoMe templates. If you are not interested in the full bundle, I would also suggest that you can look at the single items. But again, this is just to showcase what I'm working on. So if you're not interested, then of course don't buy it. This is just to share different projects, and hopefully it is interesting to see how you can design a landing page. And if you end up
being interested in the product, I will talk more about it in the upcoming vlog. But I just wanted to share it, and I think I will also end today's vlog. Hopefully it was a bit interesting and we are ready for 2025. And I look forward to continue making YouTube videos and also continue making different sort of projects. So have a great day and see you in the next video.